Welcome to the 418 Weekly Video.
This week, design team and fabrication team joined forces to design and build the bumpers and complete most of the drivetrain. The fabrication team built prototypes of our intake and outtake mechanisms and plan to start building the early steps of the robot next week. Our design team has worked on CADing several prototypes and the final design of the elevator. They plan to have our final robot CAD done by the end of next Saturday. After prototyping several intakes and outtake designs over this week, we have settled on our final geometry for each of them to be built and fine-tuned during this coming week. The strategy team has continued working on our playbook for competitions and began building our UI for the scouting application. In the coming week, strategy will continue to work on the UI and the rest of the scouting application, and began writing a rules test for the team. Our business team is working hard on awards, drafting thank you letters for donors, and finalizing info about smart camps. Speaking of smart camps, keep an eye out for the details on when the dates will be. The code team has assigned tasks to individuals, made a rough overview of the robot state machine and how the robot will work in Motivation's code. Electrical team wired the milk crate that is temporarily full of the robot's electronics to the drivetrain, because the belly pan isn't completed yet. And they also made a temporary battery mount. Next week, they will work on wire diagrams, compiling a list of everything on the robot, finding mounting solutions, and wire the robot more permanently once the belly pan of the robot is completed. Our newest endeavor, Project Pterodactyl, is a robot for only first-year Purple Haze members, so they can get optional practice designing and building an entire robot. This week, they got started by taking a look at the CAD that was provided and began planning how to build their own version. Next week, the Project Pterodactyl team will start building elements for it, while also designing and iterating on the basic mechanisms.
Thanks for watching.